Hello students, today we will learn your topic square and square roots, exercise 6.4, page number 108, question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square, so obtain. So here the first question given 402. So let us find the square root of 402 by long division method. First you find the square root of 402 by long division method. So how we find the square root by long division method? To find the square root, first we make pair from one place. So you see one pair we get this one single. That means you have to give time to first how much? To time to first 4. So we know that 2 into 2 is 4. Now 4 minus 4 we have 0. So next pair is how much? You bring down the next pair 0, 2. To get next divisor, you make double the quotient. 2 2 is how much? 4. Now you see here only 2 is there. If you give one time also, then you get 41. 1 is a 41. So just it will 0 time. 40 0 is a 0. 2 minus 0 is how much? 2. So we get remainder 2. So we get remainder how much? 2. Therefore we have to subtract 2 from 402 to get perfect square. Therefore, the least number is how much we get? 2. The remainder will be the least number. So as per question, you see, find the least number which must be subtracted from the number. The least number we get 2. From the given number 402, you have to subtract 2. Then you will get how much? 400. 400, which is a perfect square. This number we get how much? We get 2. So perfect square. When we subtract this number from the given number 402, at the time we get how much number? 400, which is a perfect square. Now you see the second part. Also find the square root of the perfect square, so obtain. So perfect square number we get how much? 400. So you have to find out the square root of 400. Square root of 400 you find by long division method. Make pair. This single, that means you have to give time to first 4. 2 2 is a 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So next pair also 0. When you make double this quotient, at the time you will get the next divisor. If you make double this 2, 2 2 is a how much? We have 4. Next you give 0 times. 40 0 is a, we have 0. So there is no remainder. That means square root of 400, how much we get? 20. So here least number we have 2 and The square root of the perfect square number is 20. Now we will do the next one. Next question, question number 2, 1989. Let us find the square root of 1989 by long division method. To find square root, first you make pair from one place. So we get two pair. First, you have to give time to 19. We know 5 5 is 25. So 4 4 is how much? 16. You can give 5 times. 5 5 is how much? 25. 25 is greater than 19. So we will give 4 times. 4 4 is 16. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So next, you bring down the next pair. 8 9. Now you find out the next divisor. To get next divisor, you make double the first question. First question we get 4. So 4 2 is how much? 4 2 is 8. Now you see how many times we can give. 8. 4 is how much? If you give 4 times, 4 4 is 16. 1 in hand, 4 is 32 plus 1 33. Here 389. Can we give 5 times? 5 5 is 25. 2 in hand, 5 is 40 plus 2 42. So this one is 425 is greater than 389. So we can give 5 times. We have to give 4 times. 4 4. 84 into 4, how much we get? 336. Now you do subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we get remainder. How much we get remainder? We get remainder 53. So as per question, you have to subtract the least number, the remainder, from 1989. How much we get remainder? Remainder we get 53. We subtract 1989 minus 53. How much you will get? 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 1. 1936. Which is a perfect square. 1936 is a perfect square. So how much? After subtracting 53, we get a perfect square number. Therefore, the least number is how much? 53. Now you see the second part of the question. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. So perfect square number we get how much? 1936. So we have to now find the square root of 1936. Now you make pair. First you give time to 19. 4 4 is 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 0. So next you bring down the next pair. Now to get the second divisor, you make double the first question. 4 2 is how much? 8. Here ending digit is 4. So if you give 4 times, then you will get 4 4 is 16. You will get in 6 as ending digit. 4 4 is 16. 1 in hand. 4 is 32 plus 1 33. So if you do subtract, then you will get how much? 0. Therefore, the square root of 1936 is how much we get? 45. 4. Now we will do the next problem. So next question, question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. The first question is 525. So let us find the square root of 525 by long division method. So now we will find the square root of 525. First you make pair from one place. This is single, that means you have to give time to first 5. So we know if you 3 3 how much? 9. You can give 3 times. So it will 2 times. 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you bring down this next pair to 5. To get the second divisor, you make double this first question. 2 2 is how much? 4. Now how many times you can give? You see, 4 3 times, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Yes, we can give 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Now you see the required least number is how much? You see, this one is greater than this one, so you have to subtract from 129. You have to subtract 125. How much you get? 4. 129 minus 125 is how much? 4. That means the required least number is 4. So the least number you have to add with the given number 525. Then you will get what? The perfect square number. So as per question, given number is 525. Least number how much? 4. You have to add. Then you will get how much? 529, which is a perfect square. Perfect square. So now we will find out the square root of the perfect square number. Perfect square number we will get how much? 529. So 529, now you have to find square root. You see the second part, find the square root of the perfect square number. So obtain. So we have perfect square number 529. So we will find square root now. This perfect square number 5 2 9. You make pair. So we get one pair. This one is single. So you have to give time to first 5. 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you bring down the next pair. When 2 is double, then how much? 2 2 is 4. Now you give 3 times. 3 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 3 is 12. If you do subtract, then you will get 0. So how much we get? The square root of 529? 23. The least number we get how much? Least number getting how much? 4. Least number getting 4, and the square root of the perfect square number we get how much? 23. Now we will do the next one. So the next question, question number 2, 1750. You have to find out the least number of 1750. So let us find the square root of 1750 by long division method. We will find now square root by long division method. Make pair. So first that means you have to give time to 17. We know 4 is 16. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So no need to write. Next you bring down the next pair 5 0. Now you find out the next divisor. To get next divisor, you have to make double the first question. 4 2 is how much? 8. Now, how much time you can give? Can we give 152? Can you give 2 times? 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16. Yes, we can give 2 times. 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16. Therefore, the required least number is, you see, this one is greater than that one. So you have to subtract from 164, you have to subtract 150 to get the least number. 164 minus 150 is how much? 164 minus 150 is 14. So this is the required least number. As per question, they are given only. Find the least number which must be added. So as per question, the given number is how much? 1750. Least number getting how much? 14. You must add the least number and the given number. 1750 plus 14 is 1764, which is a perfect square. So we get required least number getting how much? 14, and we get the perfect square number how much? 1764. You see the next part of the question. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. We get perfect square number how much? 1764. So you have to find out the now square root of 1764. You make pair. 4 4 is 16. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you bring down the next pair. When you make double the question, then you get the next divisor. 4 2 is 8. Now you give 2 times. 2 2 is 4. 8 2 is 16. We have no remainder. Therefore, the square root of 1764 getting how much? 42. So the least number is 14. And the square root of the perfect square number is how much? We get 42. Now we will do the next one. Now you see the next question, question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. So we know that they are given what? So they are given what? Given that area of a square already given 441 meters square. So area of a square, we have formula is what? Area of a square formula is side whole square is equal 441 meters square. Therefore, side, here side square equal 441 square. So side equal what? Square root of 441 meters square. Now you have to find the square root of 441. So you use the long division method to find the square root. First you make pair. You see, first you have to give time to 4. We know 2 to the 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So now you bring down this the next pair 4 1. To get the next divisor, you make double this first question. 2 to the how much? 4. Now you can give one time. 41, 1 is 41. It's very simple. So we have no remainder. That means the square root of 441 is how much? 21. Square root of meter square is meter. Therefore, for hence, length of the side, the length of the side of a square, getting how much? 21 meter. Thank you.